Hey guys, welcome back to another episode in my Robinhood investing series. So, as you know, at this point, I have invested about $5,000 into my Robinhood portfolio. So, $4,907.58 for whatever reason. I'm not sure why that number is there, but that's how much we have invested. And at this point, my portfolio has grown up to $6,500. So, in just this week alone, my portfolio has gone up about $2,000. Earlier, it did reach over $2,000, but has since gone down, and it looks like it is dipping a little bit after the market's closed. But let me show you guys what is going on. So just for today, my portfolio value went up almost $500 or 8.1%. So let's see what's happening. So scrolling down, let's just go into today's returns. So for today, Blink Charging has been doing some serious work and making almost $500 for me alone. Now I have 136 shares of Blink Charging and very happy that I have those shares. Tesla didn't do that great for me today. Upwork got me $12. Solo pretty much just broke even. PPL -50. And I decided to try this stock here. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, just some random guy investing on the internet. So this stock has been made public to be traded, and it came out, let's see, I think it was like $31. However, for whatever reason, it's saying like $31.95. That could be accurate. I'm not too sure. But regardless, I decided to just buy a couple of shares just to see what would happen because I've never really jumped on board a stock that just entered the market. So I wanted to see what that was like. At this point in time, I have 6 shares of the stock with the average cost of $31.21. I'm currently down $6.21, but we'll see what happens with it. Again, not recommending that stock for any particular reason, just happened to buy it today and just wanted to show you guys. Blink Charging, let's talk about Blink Charging a little bit. Now, it has been doing some serious work, like I mentioned earlier. Today, it reached its highest point at $24.41. And just dipped under. I really should have sold some at this highest point. I knew it was going to start dipping down a little bit, but I decided to just hold just to see what would happen. If you guys are unaware, Blink Charging provides charging stations for electric vehicles, and with electric vehicles becoming more mainstream, Tesla, Sola, I'm sure there's other ones, Neo is one as well. There's going to be more electric vehicles on the road, hence you need more charging stations. So I thought it'd be really good to invest in this company. And just for today, it is up 23%. And for the week, it has been up 125%. So I envision this stock doing really well in the long term, which is why I'm deciding to hold it for now. Like I said, I could have sold some, but decided not to. Just looking at my positions, the average cost for me on this stock is $11.60. And the total return so far has been about $1,500 just for this one stock. So really happy that I was able to buy as many shares as I did before it went sky high. I mean, I wish I would have bought in when it was like at $2 at the price, because just imagine how insane that is. Look, within the last year, it's up over 1,000%. So even the last 3 months is up 200%. So really happy about that one, that buy. And at this point in time, we're still deciding to hold everything. I changed around the equity and everything a little bit. So right now I have the most of Blink Charging at $3,000, Tesla at $2,200, Upwork $600, Solo at $300. That's another electric vehicle stock that has been performing incredibly well within the last week and going at a 64% for the last week, and for the last month, 267%. So Solo is doing awesome stuff as well. I wish I would have held. I had Solo back when it was around like $2, and I decided to sell it when I made a little bit of profit. But looking back, I wish I would have just held it. So that's why I'm still holding on to Blink Charging at the moment, because I have a feeling it's just going to keep going up, and I don't want to miss out on another stock that I think will do well long term, just because I want the short-term gains. Jumping over to my Webull portfolio, as you could see, it is at $1,500 and doing very well at the moment. So As you can see, the stocks I currently am holding, Solo still, Upwork, and Blink Charging again. I had Facebook on this portfolio, but decided to sell it and just put all of the equity I had in Facebook into Blink Charging because, again, I do have faith in this company and what it's going to do in the future. And again, not financial advice. So let me know how your portfolios are doing since I'm recording this on a Friday, how your portfolio is ending on this particular week. And let me know if you guys have any stocks that you guys are currently looking at, and any recommendations are appreciated in the comment section below. If you'd like to open up an account with Robinhood or Webull, feel free to use my referral link and we'll both get free stock. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.